Hello guys, it's Game Talent once again. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a full breakdown on how I was able to make over $38,000 in a single week trading XAUUSD. Now I shared these trades live on my Telegram channel with over 28,000 subscribers. So if you're not in my channel, check the link in the description below and join us. I don't have a VIP signal group. You don't pay for my signals. You just join and I share all my trades for free. That's it. So let's see how I made this money. First, we have this low that's moved aggressively to give us this particular high right here. And we can see price pull back into discount level. Let's see with our gun box from this low to this high. So we can see this bearish pullback here into discount levels for another leg up. Now, during this bearish pullback, we're able to see this internal structure, that's internal bearish structure, and give us this clean trend line right here. Internal bearish structure that give us this clean trend line right here. And what did you notice here? During this internal bearish structure, we have this high that gave us this low. So this is the next high that mitigated this point. So we are expecting this high to give us a new low right here, right? Just to follow the trend. But this high failed to give us a low. So what happens to that particular high that fails to break structure? It becomes a weak level. And price needs to do what? Take it out. Now, for price to actually take this high out, it needs to trade above this trend line. And once it trades above this trend line, we are getting a breakout, a bullish breakout. So this trend is actually coming to an end. So I saw price break out of this level with a full body candle, and all I did was put in my position to here around this point. My stop loss below the low that led to the high, which was here, and they just targeted above the high because I'm expecting price to give us what? I'm expecting price to give us a new high, right? So it's a simple 1 to 3 hour trade. Yeah, a simple 1 to 3 hour trade. Now, when price got to this level with all these multiple consolidations around my entry, I was able to get another entry here. Now we'll go down to like the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see. Where is it? Okay. 30 minutes time frame was telling us a story where we're getting this bullish move right here. And we have this particular low that led to this high right here, right? Before this consolidation started happening. Now, this was the mitigation on this 30 minutes time frame, this particular one here, as you can see. Now, this low was supposed to take out this high. This low, this was the high that led to this low and led to this mitigation, right? Now, this low was supposed to give us a new high, which didn't happen. And remember, since this high failed to give us a new low, price takes it out. It's the normal logic behind structure. Any structural point that fails to break structure becomes a weak level, right? So since this low fails to give us a new high, price needs to take it out as well. So going down to the 15 minutes time frame, we're able to see a very clear entry, and that low now served as an engineered liquidity. If you don't understand what engineered liquidity means, I already made a video on it. Check below my page, you are going to see it there. So this low now served as what? Served as an engineered liquidity right here. And price took it out, and we had our second entry at this point. So we had our second entry at this point, and we're targeting, I think we're targeting around these levels as well. Yeah. So that was the second entry. And the last entry, which was the third one, going back to the 1 hour time frame, right? So when price got to this, well, after this particular mitigation here, we see price push above this level. Now, there's something you should notice around this level. From this level, you are going to notice multiple area of rejection. Multiple area of rejection. So this has proven itself over time to be a strong area of rejection. It was rejecting here, acting as a support, price broke out, and it was now rejecting here, acting as a resistance, right? Now, finally, when price mitigated this point and breaks out of this level again, I was able to spot this mitigation block right here, this one, resting around this area of strong support, right? It was resting around this area of strong support. And all I did was catch that particular area, put in my position to the my stop loss just below this previous bearish candle. I'm targeted to this particular high. And I think it was a 1 to 5 hour trade actually, right? It was around 1 to 5 or 1 to 6. Yeah. And I targeted this area. And just like that, we were able to catch the 3 entries. We were able to catch just 3 entries, and that was how I was able to make over $38,000 trading gold. Just this. Now, every single concept I used in entering these trades are explained in this channel. You can scroll down to previous videos. You are going to see a video on how to combine trend lines with liquidity concepts, because this is what I used here. Just breakout, retest, and I needed price to do what? Take out this entire trend line liquidity on this first trade. This second one, check the video on engineer liquidity. It's just structure and liquidity. POI without inducement, I expect price to engineer liquidity there, which was what price did around this point, and you can see price take it out before moving. And the third one, simple breakout and retest as well. When price breaks out of a support or resistance level, flips it, and you see price retest that area and buy. And that is just it. Now, if you have not been trading with me, check the link in the description below. Join my Telegram channel. I share all my trades for free every week. As long as I'm taking a trade, I'm going to share it on my Telegram channel for free. So share this video to your friends, like, subscribe. See you guys in my next video.